Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm sharing 5 easy snacks you can make at home. Perfect for busy days, movie nights, or those quick hunger pangs. These snacks are simple, budget-friendly, and use ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Let's get started. First up, we've got veggie hummus wraps. Spread hummus on a tortilla. Add your favorite veggies like cucumber, carrot, and spinach. Roll it up, slice, and you're done. Tip: keep chopped veggies in airtight containers. It makes snack prep super quick during the week. For a sweet and healthy option, try a Greek yogurt parfait. Layer Greek yogurt with granola and fresh fruit. A drizzle of honey adds natural sweetness. This snack is high in protein and keeps you full longer. A perfect afternoon pick-me-up. Next, peanut butter banana bites. Slice a banana, spread a little peanut butter between 2 slices, and freeze them for 30 minutes. You'll have a tasty, bite-sized treat that is both satisfying and energizing. Snack number 4, baked pita chips. Cut pita bread into triangles, drizzle with olive oil, sprinkle salt and garlic powder, and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Pair them with salsa or guacamole for a crunchy, homemade snack. Last but not least, no big energy balls. Mix oats, peanut butter, honey, and a handful of chocolate chips. Roll into small balls and chill. These are perfect for a quick boost before workouts or during busy afternoons. See how easy that was? You don't need fancy ingredients or a lot of time to make healthy, delicious snacks at home. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more simple cooking and household tips, and comment below which snack you'll try first. Thanks for watching and happy snacking!